and importance of space mission. The world has become a global village due to space mission. Today, we can contact a person in any part of the world within a second. We can gather information about worldwide events sitting at home. You all know the importance of internet. Due to internet, every information is available at our fingertips. It has become possible to get advance alert about natural calamities and take proper precautions. During war, it is possible to get information about the action of enemy through aerial surveillance using satellites. It is also possible to explore fossils reserves and minerals in the earth. Thus, there are unlimited application of space mission. Today, space technology is an inevitable part of development of a nation. Artificial satellite. A natural satellite is an astronomical object orbiting the Earth or any other planet. The moon is only the natural satellite of the Earth. Some other planets in the solar system have more than one natural satellite. Similarly, if a man-made satellite revolves around the Earth or any other planet in a fixed orbit is called artificial satellite. The first artificial satellite, Sputnik, was sent to space by Soviet Union in 1957. Today, more than thousands of satellites are orbiting the Earth. The satellite works on solar energy. Thousands of satellites work on solar energy. So, solar photovoltaic panels are attached on both sides of satellite like wings. Instruments are installed in the satellite to receive and transmit signals from and to the Earth. The satellite have various other types of instruments depending on their function. One such satellite is shown in the figure. Signals transmitted from the Earth to the satellite and from the satellite to the mobile tower and mobile phone are also shown. These satellites are sent into the space to perform various functions. Depending on their function, satellites are classified into following categories. INSAT, Indian National Satellite; GSAT, Geosynchronous Satellite; IRNSS, Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System; IRS, Indian Remote Sensing Satellite; then GSLV, Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle; and PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. Now we shall study about the types of satellite, functions of satellite, and the names of Indian satellite series and their launch vehicle. Weather satellite. The function of this satellite is to study and prediction of weather, and INSAT and GSAT satellites are being used, and the launcher is GSLV. Communication satellite. Establishing communication between different locations in the world through use of specific waves. The satellite used are INSAT and GSAT, and the launcher is GSLV. Then the broadcast satellite, which is used for telecasting of television program. For this, INSAT and GSAT satellite is being used, and the launcher used for this is GSLV. Navigation satellite. Fix the location on any place on the Earth's surface in terms of its very precise latitude and longitude. And IRNSS satellite is being used, and the launcher is PS way. Military satellite collects information for security aspects. Then Earth observation satellite is used to study the forest, desert, ocean, polar ice on the Earth's surface, exploration and management of natural resources, observation and guidance in case of natural calamities like floods and earthquakes. Now the satellite used is IRS and the launcher used is PSLV. Now, as we have studied about the types of satellites and the launchers used for it and the satellites used for it, functions of it, now we shall be studying the orbits of the artificial satellite. All artificial satellites do not revolve in the similar orbit around the Earth. Okay, the function of the satellite decides the height of the satellite's orbit from the Earth's surface and the nature of the orbit, whether it is circular or elliptical. Okay, and whether the orbit shall be parallel to the equator or whether it will make some angles with it to put the satellite in its proper orbit at a specific height above the Earth's surface. The satellite is taken to that height using a satellite launcher. Then the satellite is given a specific velocity known as critical velocity VC in a tangential direction to the orbit. The satellite then starts revolving around the Earth. The formula for the critical velocity can be derived by the following observations, okay, by the following equations. If a satellite of mass m is revolving around the Earth in an orbit of height h with the speed vc, that is critical velocity, then as seen in the chapter on gravitation, a centripetal force is given by mvc square upon r acts on it, where r is the orbital radius of satellite from the center of the Earth. The centripetal force is provided by the gravity of the Earth. Therefore, centripetal force is equal to the gravitational force between the Earth and the satellite. Therefore, mvc square upon r plus h is equal to gmm upon r plus h whole square. V square is equal to gm upon r plus h. Vc, by taking the square root, it will be equal to under root gm upon r plus h, where g is the gravitational constant. And the value for this is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. M is the mass of the Earth. Value for this is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. R is the radius of the Earth, equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meters, that is equal to 6400 kilometer. H is equal to height of the satellite above the Earth's surface. R plus h is the radius of the orbit of satellite. It can be seen that the critical velocity does not depend on the mass of the satellite. As the height of the satellite's orbit from the Earth's surface increases, the critical velocity decreases. Depending on the height of the satellite's orbit above the Earth's surface, the satellite's orbits are classified as below: high Earth orbit, medium Earth orbit, and low Earth orbit. This we are going to study in detail. High Earth orbit. If the height of the satellite's orbit above the Earth's surface is greater than or equal to 35,780 km, the orbit is called high Earth orbit. As well as as we will see in the next example, a satellite revolving in an orbit 35,780 km above the Earth's surface will take around 24 hours to complete the revolution. We know that the Earth also takes almost 24 for one revolution. If a satellite is revolving in an orbit parallel to the equator, the time of revolution of the Earth around itself and that of for the satellite to revolve around the Earth being the same, the satellite will appear to be stationary with respect to the Earth. For a passenger in one vehicle, another vehicle move parallel to him with equal velocity appear to be stationary. This is what happens here also. These satellites are therefore called as geosynchronous satellite. Since these satellites are stationary with reference to the Earth, they can observe a specific portion of the Earth continuously. Therefore, they are used in application like metallurgy and for carrying signals for telephones, television, radio, etc. Medium Earth satellite. Height above the Earth's surface is 2000 km to 35,780 km. If the height of the satellite orbit above the Earth's surface is between 20,000 km and 35,780 km, the orbits are called medium Earth's orbit. The geostationary satellite orbit above the equator. These are therefore not useful in study of polar region. For this purpose, elliptical medium Earth orbit passing over the polar region are used. This orbit is called as polar orbit. In this orbit, the satellite completes one revolution in 2 to 24 hours. Some of these satellites revolve in the circular orbit at the height of 20,200 km above the Earth's surface. Global positioning satellite revolve in such orbit. Then the next is low Earth orbit. Height is between 180 km to 2000 km. If the height of the satellite orbit above the Earth's surface is between 180 km to 2000 km, the orbit is called as low Earth orbit. The satellite used for scientific experiments and atmospheric studies revolved in low Earth orbit. Depending on the height of their orbit, they complete one revolution in 90 minutes. International Space Station and Hubble telescope also revolve in the low Earth orbit. Figure shows various orbits of the satellite. The group of students of COEP, that is College of Engineering Pune, made a small satellite and sent it to the space through ISRO in 2016. The name of the satellite is Swayam and its weight around is 1 kg. It is orbiting the Earth or at the height of 515 km. The main objective of the satellite was to provide point-to-point messaging services using the special method. So here we end up with the second session. For next